Today we're painting with more organic shapes to create eucalyptus leaves. You need the colors yellow, green, brown, and optionally turquoise to make it more interesting. Feel free to use the colors you already have on your palette. Prepare your brush, a jar of water, a paper towel, and watercolor paper in front of you. Sit down comfortably and be sure not to get disturbed by electronic devices or anyone else in the room. You can also use your headphones. Did you know that when we get distracted, it could take up to 23 minutes to regain focus on the task we were doing before? Make this creative me time about you and keep distractions off by letting anyone in your current space know that you're taking time for yourself. When painting in a loose way, you don't have to exactly draw or paint objects as you see them in real life. It will be your own perception of eucalyptus leaves, so they don't have to be precisely the same as how I paint them. Start with the leaves first by pressing your round brush hard on the paper and fully twist it until you have some kind of round leaf. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, as this is an organic shape. Paint more of these shapes and add turquoise to the edges of the shapes and yellow in the middle to give more color to the leaves. Now wait until these are dry while painting the stem with brown and connect all the leaves to the stem. You will see that the branches will flow into the leaf a bit, which evokes a realistic connection of the leaf to the branch. Make sure to start from the main stem when creating the smaller branches that connects to the leaves to make it look more natural. When this layer has dried, paint some new leaves on the dry leaves and also add yellow to the middle and turquoise to the edges. You've created your own eucalyptus leaves. Put your painting away to dry and give away your painting or keep it yourself.